Today we are making a very berry smoothie. Now, here at Mums at the Table, we just want to make healthy easy for you, okay? Because, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, it's all packet stuff sometimes. Well, you know what? Sometimes packet stuff is better than eating some of the takeaway foods. So we're just trying to make healthy easy, and we're going to show you a really good recipe for breakfast. We have done smoothies in the past, but I'm trying to mix them up a bit, so then that way you've got a few different ones. You ready? So what are we going to need first? We're going to need some bananas. Do you want to put some bananas? So we need frozen bananas. I think it's like 1 frozen banana chopped up, or 3, I can't remember, just down below, that'll tell you how much. Some banana, I think we've got plenty there, we'll keep those ones aside. And raspberries, and actually what have we got in there? Strawberries, raspberries and blueberries. So you can use any berries. It's a very berry smoothie, so you can use any berries you like. And we're gonna use those to put on top. What about this? What's this?
Cream.
Cream, what sort of cream is it? Smell it. It's yogurt.
Yogurt.
What yogurt do you think it is?
Coconut yogurt.
Coconut yogurt. We love that for the kids especially, because there's plenty of good fats in there for the little ones. Because a lot of people are like, oh, my kid's losing weight because they're shooting up and they're all skinny again. I'm like, just throw some coconut yogurt in there.
What's that?
Oh, that one's almond butter. Yeah, that will even help. Almond butter. We've got our protein as well. Oh, that one's going to be a bit stuck, so should we use this? Okay, go. Try to put it all in there. Almond butter. Yeah, there you go. This is gonna get, if you're in a hurry in the morning, it's sloppy. If you're in a hurry in the morning with your kids, this is the best because they can drink it on the way. They can, if you have a plastic or paper cup, they can even have it on the way to school. What else are we gonna put? These ones. So that is muesli. And we're using gluten-free, actually. That's why ours looks a bit different. We're using gluten-free, just raw muesli. We're gonna use that for the top, but we can put a couple, there we go. We're gonna use that for the top so that the kids use a little spoon to eat their breakfast with. And some, what's that?
Milk.
Milk, put it in. There you go. Wow, that's looking great already. Okay, you ready, Momo?
Yeah.
All right. Is it yummy? Of course it is. It is yummy. Okay, go. Can you turn it? Okay, and it's ready. Can I just say, this is gonna make enough for at least 3 or 4 of the family members. Now, Moses has his own cup there. Can we put that in there in your glass? Do you wanna put some in there? And now what you can do is you can decorate it with some muesli, some granola, and you've got some berries to put on top. So can you do that for me? There you have it. We're gonna add almond granola. We'll put some berries on top. Do you wanna put some berries on top of yours?
Yeah.
And there you have it, your breakfast smoothie. They can have a spoon if they like, or they could just have a straw and then eat the rest down the bottom when it's all down the bottom. What do you reckon? Ready to go? There's your healthy breakfast smoothie. We'll see you next time with some more recipes at Mums at the Table.